up inside.
Almost.
Right, now I have a question for you. Did you get ready in like a huge hurry? Because all of you seem to have worn your t-shirts like inside out.
Please, can we explain why we're wearing our t-shirts inside out?
Yes, please do that.
It's so that we can show off our lovely labels, which is what we're here today for.
The men and women wash care labels, the first of its kind. It's an innovation, first time in the world. This is the first time in the world that any brand is ever, taking up such an initiative. So, why don't you show off the labels? There's a reason why they're wearing inside-out t-shirts. Yeah. See, that's the picture.
There they are.
Now, given that I can't ask the two ladies here,
Viva.
would you like to turn your t-shirt, like, wear it like I'm wearing it?
Right now? I don't mind.
Oops, 1 second.
See, this is why I've asked him to do it, so we can see some aerial branding. Now, take pictures of this, please. अब थोड़ा सवाल जवाब कर सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल.
Okay, Masaba, what are your thoughts? Is laundry a woman's job?
Absolutely. I think it's a great initiative. By
No. Is laundry a woman's job? No, not only a woman's job.
No, it's not. No, it's not only a woman's job. Yes. But yeah, I'm really happy to be a part of this. I think it's a great initiative by Ariel to share the load. I don't think we're in this phase right now in the country where we're seeing this whole wave of women empowerment and all of that. So I think it's a great idea that they've done this, and supporting it by putting the same his and her tag, the new wash care tags on my clothes in my stores.
We'll talk about that in just a bit, but what are your thoughts on laundry being a woman's job, and you're newly married and all that? I need to know a little bit more from you, Soha.
I think that we've done a lot for equality in the workplace for women, and everyone appreciates now, at least in cities like Mumbai, that the workplace should be shared equally by men and women. But I still feel that there's a sense among many men and many women that when it comes to domestic chores, that's entirely the woman's world. I'm happy to say that that isn't the case in our new home, and I don't think that Kunal has been brought up to look at chores like that, and neither have I. So I'm very happy to say that there's a lot of equality when it comes to the domestic chores that we do at home, and that's the way it should be, because I think it does lead for a happier marriage, a happier relationship, where you respect each other. I think that's important.
That's lovely. Kunal, as per this survey that I was talking about, there was an independent survey taken that when we asked men what they thought about laundry and chores, 82% of men believed that, those who chipped in to with household chores, that made for a happier marriage and a happier married environment. Your thoughts on that? How happy are you making your marriage?
I'm actually very happy. I think, a house is made by the people who live in it, and I think it's an equal partnership in whatever you do, at home as well. I mean, gone are the days when at one point people used to think that cooking food is a woman's job, and then the men started doing it, and we did it so well that the top chefs are now men. I don't think there is an equal pedestal for saying that I'm the best laundry guy. मैं ऐसे कपड़े धोता हूँ ना, I'm the Mr. Washman. But I think it's the easiest job. I mean, now given the technologies that we have, there's a washing machine, these great products like Ariel, and they come up with these one washmatic solutions. It's just the simplest thing to do, just put the powder in, put the clothes in. And I mean, I don't see why it's a woman's job as such. I think it's also about being independent, because I grew up in a household where my dad used to help out. I used to really enjoy helping out in cooking and doing the laundry, which really helped me when I was struggling and I was living on my own. I was very independent. I would cook for myself. I would do my own laundry, and it's a good feeling to be able to do that. And I think with the new initiative, with the label launch, I don't think any man can ever say, "Ye kahan pe likha hai ki laundry mardon ka bhi kaam hai." You can just kind of show the label to them and say, "Yahan pe likha hai," and the discussion's over. Exactly, and it's the easiest thing to do. It's not that tough.
Okay, now we've just spoken to a newly married couple, and you're soon to be newly married. Congratulations on your engagement, Masaba.
Thank you.
But how much do you think your husband-to-be is going to contribute to household chores?
Well, I think after this, he doesn't have a choice. But I think even Madhu is someone who has always been brought up in an environment like Soha said, that where there is the men in the house are always pushing to help women. I think that's where it starts, and that's kind of the culture that he's brought up with. So I hope that he helps me. He's a little lazy, but I don't do much laundry myself, so I think he'll be left to it. But yeah, I mean, I think for him now it's easier. You have instructions, you have a whole manual as to what you have to do, when you have to do, and how much quantity, etc. So I don't think it's that much of a brain job anymore. It's just all there.
Speaking of instructions, you came in with this, in fact you have it in your hand, his and her pack. Makes it easier for men, right? What are your thoughts on this his and her pack that was launched a little while ago with instructions for his?
I think more than the instructions, the fact that it says his and her pack, like I said, like you can no longer say that kapde do yor to ka kaam hai. I mean, it's written on the pack, right? It's his and her, so you can also do it. So I think
no, but the his part is also just to make the instructions a little easier for the ones.
It's for people who haven't washed clothes before, for example.
Right.
But how difficult is it? I don't know how difficult is it. You just put, it says powder yahan pe dalo, kapde yahan pe dalo, on karo.
You can ask my mother, who's shrunk many of my favorite sweaters when we were younger. So it's possible to do that. But I think this does help out. And for people who haven't used a washing machine or are not familiar with it, this is to help them become familiar with it so that they can help out and they can't use that excuse of saying that it's very complicated or we don't understand it. And what was lovely about the aerial movement as well, Share the Load, was the wash bucket challenge. I just thought the phrasing, I mean, this is, of course, Kunal as a man said this on stage because we went to Chandigarh and Lucknow and Bangalore with the Share the Load movement, and there was a great response. But Kunal as a man appreciated the fact that the word challenge was used in wash bucket challenge because I think men like a challenge. So it was very well put by Ariel, I think.
As long as they keep that challenge going.
Yeah, but
I've
just been told that 5 lakh men have already taken up this challenge and agreed to do the laundry and share the load, which I think is a big achievement, and let's just keep the count going up and up.
But do you think, like, doing household chores is also about spending quality time together?
You know, it takes time to do household chores. And there are days when, if I'm not working, the whole day goes by in just doing things. It's an endless list of things that need to be done. And I do think that it makes it more fun and it reduces the time that it takes to do chores when you do them together. So even if you share things, for example, if someone is doing the dishes and someone is doing the laundry or someone is, you just divide the chores or you do them together, which I prefer. I think that it does make it more fun.
Sharing the load.
It's sharing the load and it's, it makes it more fun and less tedious.
Now let's talk a little bit about those labels. We can't see yours anymore.
I'm not going to talk about it.
Masaba, your clothes have always made a statement, and now there are going to be labels attached to your clothes which will also make a statement. Your thoughts on that?
Well, I think it's always nice to do these associations, but how do you take them a step further? And I think that it's a great idea from their side to do this, because everyone who's buying a garment from my stores will now own one of the Ariel wash care labels, and I was being told just before that's the first time in the world that this has happened, where there's a his and her wash care label, and I think that it'll at least remind not just men but also women that you have to share the load. There's a lot of women also who would this would be very helpful for, like me. So yeah, I'm very happy to take this to the next level and put it.
Which is what gave us the confidence to wear our shirts inside out and to be proud of our labels. And as you said, the equality factor, I think, is what motivated me certainly to be a part of this movement, because I do appreciate that one talks a lot about love in marriage and less so perhaps about respect. But I think that this will generate a lot of equality and a lot of mutual respect between couples. And I do want to, especially this first row of all male photographers, we do hope that you will take this home as a nice message and you'll help out, no? At home and do the laundry. करते हैं आप क्या? करते हैं? ये टी-शर्ट्स आपने खुद धोए? जो आप पहन रहे? नया है? मैं खुद धोऊंगा.
But I think it's so great that what Ariel is doing, because it's one thing to come up with an idea and then to back it and keep going, because it takes time for an idea to stick and kind of I think that's what when I mentioned like how, you know, cooking is no longer seen as a woman's job, because over the years, I mean, men have cooked. Most of the cooking shows on, you know, on air today have like men chef making food. So now it's not considered in the same way. With laundry, I think Ariel kind of backed this, came up with the wash bucket challenge, now came up with this amazing product, and now the labeling. So I think, you know, with this, it's going to stick, and if people are not going to look at it at maybe in a few years. It's never going to be even up for debate that it's a woman's job or a man's job. So kudos to Ariel for doing that.
You've been a part of this journey right from the beginning. What have you seen over the various visits that you've made to various cities for this Share the Load movement?
Well, one thing I certainly saw was that the women certainly came out in many numbers supporting this initiative, and there was a third
It's
party.
important for the men to come and support
It is,
the initiative
but
as well.
that I'll leave perhaps to Kunal to bring forward. But certainly we found that, you know, there were many statistics. There was a third-party survey, which I'm sure you all know about by now, and Seb can help out at home, is in doing the laundry for the various reasons we said, because it's so simple, it really doesn't require genius. And more than how difficult it is, it's just showing that appreciation and respect and care, because I mean, clothes are things that we all wear, so it's your clothes, it's our clothes, so we can all contribute in that. So women certainly, and men, and I think that had a lot to do with the challenge aspect of the wash bucket challenge that helped a lot of men come out and say that it is a good idea.
Actually, it's a no-brainer. Give the men a challenge and they just want to do it.
Give them a manual and they want to follow it.
That's right, they own the manual. But what have you seen over this last little from Ariel? And your thoughts on this movement?
Well, you know, I already said that. I said it's great that they came up with this idea, and I think it was a very intelligent move to call it the Wash Bucket Challenge, because I honestly believe that you know, more than a manual, if you give us something to read, we might just say that, okay, I'm not the reading kinds. The moment you say, okay, I challenge you, can you read this in one go, and we'll kind of pick it up. And so, and hence, I mean, you say it's a wash bucket challenge, and we started in the perfect city. It was Chandigarh. I said, all the Punjabis will, हाँ, धो देंगे कपड़े क्या है इसमें? So, and the numbers speak for themselves. I mean, I was so happy to hear today that 5 lakh men have already kind of taken the challenge, and they're behind this movement. And I really wish that these numbers grow every day. And you know, Ariel keeps backing this whole idea.
Yes, well, this is a wonderful initiative. Kunal and I have actually been a part of the Share the Load movement, which was initiated by Ariel a few months ago. And they came up with the Wash Bucket Challenge as well, trying to get men to contribute towards doing the laundry, which is one of the areas that women feel that men can contribute the most easily, because it really doesn't take a genius to do the washing, especially when you have products like Ariel Matic, which make it very simple for you to do your clothes. And today, in conjunction with Masaba, we've launched a wonderful label, which is actually a men and women's wash care fabric label, which makes it easy, because for people who haven't washed clothes before, and we're assuming that a lot of them are men perhaps, it makes it easy for you to know how to wash clothes.
So also the fact that we have washing machines and other sophisticated machines, has that actually made men also chip in with laundry? Is that also a reason?
I think it certainly made doing chores easier, and because all of us, men and women, are working now, we want to minimize time. So certainly technology has helped, products have helped, and what we want is for mindsets to change, and that has nothing to do with technology, which is what I think this movement is about. In spite of technology, men just feel that doing laundry is a woman's job by default, and that's something that we're trying to change, and we're trying to say that a happier marriage would be the result of people contributing more equally in the domestic place as well.
कुणाल, आप कितना हेल्प किया करते थे सोहा को?
सोहाग, मैं बचपन से ना, मैं जिस घर में पला बड़ा हूँ, मैंने हमेशा मेरी रुचि रही है, चाहे वो खाना बनाना हो या मम्मी की हेल्प करना हो. My father used to also help out my mother. So I've really enjoyed doing this, and in a lot of ways it's made me independent, because when I was living on my own, it really helped to not kind of shell out the money to hire house help, but do it yourself. It's also kind of really fulfilling to be able to be independent and do your own stuff on your own. And I know कि बहुत सारे लोग ये भी कहते हैं कि यार मर्द पूरे दिन ऑफिस जाते हैं, काम करता है, फिर घर पे आके थका होता है, तो अब कपड़े भी धोएगा क्या? तो मैं सिर्फ ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि अगर मर्द अकेले रहेंगे तो ये कौन करेगा? खुद ही करने पड़ेंगे या गंदे कपड़े पहनने पड़ेंगे? तो ये फिर ये मान लेना कि जब आपकी शादी होगी तो आपकी वाइफ काम नहीं करेंगी, ये अगर ये ऑलरेडी आपका प्रीसेट नोशन है तो फिर आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. बट आई एम सेइंग आज हम इस दौर में हैं जहाँ पे women and men are equal when it comes to work. So I can also say that the woman also works all day and she comes back, and it'll be great if you can help out at home to have a happier marriage at the end of the day. So I think Ariel's backed that initiative very well by launching this Share the Load movement. So both of us are very happy to be a part of it.
But even in the rural parts of India, it is still the same.
Actually, I have, while I was growing up, I've traveled a lot, and my cousin was living in Dehradun, so I used to visit them. All of those boys washed their own clothes, and they lived on their own. So I beg to differ. I mean, I know there are places where men just won't do it. And hence, for people like that, we are trying to kind of start this movement to say that, or जैसे आपने कहा, we have these wonderful detergents now that make it so simple. It's not कि पहले बाल्टी में कपड़े धो, फिर उसे बैट से और पूरा साफ करो, फिर उसे टांगो, निचोड़ो, फिर भी दाग नहीं निकलेंगे. You put it in the washing machine, put the powder, धो लिया, dryer में कर दिया, बाहर निकाले, smell really good.
It's a nice way to exercise your body, right?
It is. So if you look at it that way, then it's great. I mean, that's another, but I don't think now people really want to do that.
Technology makes things simpler.
Yeah.
You said you don't really like doing laundry. Given the fact
What I mean is that I'm not someone who enjoys doing it myself. It's not that I don't want to, but I just think that when you're at home, you have a lot of house help and people like that who do things for you. But I think the initiative here was very different. The idea was to say that men can do it and women can also do it. Working women can also do it. So I think it's not that tiresome anymore. Like they said, it's all there for you. The instructions are all there, so you literally can come home knackered, but you can still. You just have to press a button and everything is done for you.
Right.
So yeah.
Soha and Kunal, you don't have maids at your place. I mean, how is it like?
No, we do have house help, and actually we do a lot of this when we're traveling, and so we rent an apartment, we live there, so we'll share the chores there. I mean, she's not very good at cooking, so I do that. She's very good at laundry, so she does that.
Everyone has their own strengths and weaknesses, and I think that you should play to them. I do love my clothes. We invest a lot in our clothes, as Masaba was saying on stage as well. It's very important, and so it's very important for those clothes to be maintained well and to look good. So I'm a bit of a control freak, so I like to do laundry. I also feel that it's quite it's therapeutic in a way to watch those clothes going round and round in a tumble dryer. Maybe that's just me, but I think that one will certainly, it's not that I don't enjoy doing the laundry, it's just a question of we're trying to get men to say that it's not a woman's job by definition. There's no such thing, and it doesn't make you less of a man to do the laundry, because I think that mindset is very prevalent, especially in India.